In this video, I'm going to talk about the 3 most important shots in pickleball. Let's start with the dink. The dink basically is the shot where you want to lead with your shoulder, you stay low, the ball bounces in front of you. You're not trying to hit a winner just to make it awkward or uncomfortable for your opponent and unattackable, most importantly. Now I'm going to demonstrate the dink for you, where it actually bounces before you hit the ball, and then you hit it back to your opponent, hopefully making it non-attackable. Bounce and hit right over the net. We're just keeping it in play with dinking. This is one of the most fundamental shots of pickleball. Very important part of the finesse game of pickleball. The drop shot is basically hit with a lot of finesse. Again, this is part of the soft game where you have a little arc on the ball, dropping it over the net in front of your opponent so that they have to bend over and hit up on it, allowing you to move forward and improve your position on the court by getting yourself near the non-volley zone line where you want to play pickleball from. So a drop shot is hit anytime when you're in trouble or back off the kitchen line and you want to help yourself move forward. So I'm going to basically try to keep it a couple feet over the net and make it unattackable so that my opponent cannot hit down on it and attack me, in order that I can improve my position and move forward in the court. Here's what it looks like. I'm going to step in, hit up on it, and make my opponent, again, hit up on the ball so that all those would allow me to move forward and improve my position so that I can eventually neutralize the positional advantage my opponent had and get myself to the kitchen line. And the volley is actually where you take it out of the air, placing it either at your opponent's feet, between them, or if you get a high enough ball, hitting it past them for a winner. Basically keeping it out front, watching the ball, not a lot of motion, until you get it set up when you can actually hit a winner or have your opponent miss. So those are the most important shots that you'll find in pickleball. If you can master them, which are all part of the soft game, you will learn that this is an amazing game that you can win with finesse without even needing to use much power on your shots.
I want to ask you a question. Are you ready to take your pickleball game to the next level, making pickleball even more fun? Do you want to do it the right way and see results the very next time you step on the pickleball court? If so, I want to introduce you to the Pickleball Masterclass. It's the only comprehensive online pickleball course that'll help you achieve a 4.0 rating or higher, attract better players, better partners, and have more fun in a record time.
Inside the Pickleball Masterclass, we have 35 videos broken up into 8 modules. The serve, the return, the third shot, fourth shot, the dink, lob, the volley, and the reset. We break down each of the core aspects of the game and attach a principle so that the skill that is taken away takes all the guesswork out of the game for you. And you have a systematic approach to the game that you can build a solid foundation upon.
Just click the button below this video and it'll take you to our checkout page where the discounted price is already factored in. When you check out, you'll have instant access to all of the training inside the Pickleball Masterclass, the championship drills, one-day clinic, and the paddle grip series.